Dogelon Mars has gained a lot of popularity during the last months, and more people have started investing in it. Could Elon Musk himself actually be one of the investors? And will he even support it publicly? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss if Elon Musk holds a large amount of Dogelon Mars. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. A good year for cryptocurrencies across the board, with meme coins such as Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin witnessing strong rises in recent months as a result. The value of the Shiba Inu coin in particular has increased significantly in recent years. Dogelon Mars, another Dogecoin killer, began as a joke, but has since grown in value to be worth billions of dollars, with a market capitalization of around $38.5 billion. Messages on Reddit's Wall Street Bets and other social media platforms have continued to enhance the popularity of meme coins, and Dogelon Mars has been riding the wave of enthusiasm that has swept the internet. As the value of the coin continues to grow, the @DogelonMars Twitter account shares memes and updates about the coin's progress. The hashtag DogelonMars was trending on Twitter on Sunday, according to the platform's data. According to the website dogelonmars.com, the coin's creator hoped that it will be the first interplanetary currency to ever be established. It also includes a fictitious story about its construction, which further enhances the website's meme coin status by adding more flair. The website is outfitted with a cartoon dog in a spacesuit and an animated backdrop. By the way, did you know about this news? Let us know in the comments section down below. Is Elon Musk the mastermind behind it? Dogelon Mars has taken the crypto market by storm in the last 30 days, with its share price increasing by a whopping 1,000% within that time period. Consequently, according to CoinMarketCap, for a brief period of time, Dogelon Mars was among the top 100 most valuable cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation, placing it in the top 100 most valuable cryptocurrencies overall. Dogelon Mars rose to the top of the business ladder as a result of achieving such a high market value. In fact, the frenzy that had accumulated around the coin simply helped to drive its price up even further. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is a high volatility market, and as a result, you should act only at your own discretion. More importantly, owning to the fact that this market is still in its infancy, it has the potential to be a speculative one, which means that speculation and news may have an immediate effect upon how well a specific cryptocurrency performs on the market. To make matters worse, reports that Elon Musk is the developer of Dogelon Mars began circulating earlier this month, causing others to assume that he is in fact the creator. While it has not been proven, there is reason to believe that this was the result of a simple miscommunication. The creators of Dogelon Mars have chosen to stay anonymous, and it is extremely difficult to get any information about them on the internet or anywhere else. The fact that this is not the case does not exclude anyone from generating educated assumptions about the identities of the people who created this meme coin. People have begun to speculate about this cryptocurrency in the wake of our previous debate, with some claiming that Elon Musk was one of the coin's initial inventors, as we discussed in our previous conversation. The existence of this project in general has remained a mystery to Elon Musk up until this point, although there might be a multitude of reasons why he would not want to be linked with this cryptocurrency's venture, the most significant of which is loyalty. There is no guarantee that this would be the case. In the past, Elon Musk has been widely praised for his public support of Dogecoin, and expressing public support for a token that he apparently designed would look to many to be a betrayal of his prior public support. Being as he has mentioned, he will face far more serious consequences as a result of this conduct than he will get the benefits of it. To summarize, let's go back to what we already know. Elon Musk is not connected with the Dogelon Mars project, as evidenced by all available evidence. Granted, the name of the cryptocurrency project was a significant inspiration for Elon Musk's pseudonym Dogelon Mars. Nevertheless, this does not necessarily suggest that Elon Musk is one of the cryptocurrency project's creators. Accepting Dogelon Mars? Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency based on memes, received a significant increase in value on Friday after Tesla Inc. CEO Elon Musk revealed that the electric manufacturer will accept the cryptocurrency as payment for some products. Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin, Musk tweeted. His tweet from the middle of December, in which he said that such use of Dogecoin will be authorized on a trial basis, prompted the cryptocurrency to surge by more than 20%. According to CoinDesk, Musk's tweets about cryptocurrencies, including one in which he referred to the meme coin as People's Crypto, boosted the meme coin's value, causing it to surge by approximately 4,000% in 2021. Musk's tweets about cryptocurrencies, including one in which he referred to it as People's Crypto, boosted the meme coin's value, causing it to surge by approximately 4,000% in 2021. The next day, fans instantly hypothesized that the firm may accept Dogecoin Mars as their next candidate. Is it really going to happen this time? Even if we are unable to state with certainty, it is absolutely possible. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on Elon Musk and Dogecoin Mars in the comment section. Holding Dogecoin Mars? It was disappointing to see that Elon Musk's Elon holdings were not disclosed to an interested photographer who was holding the Shiba Inu coin. Tesla CEO Elon Musk responded to the question with a single word: none. Then Musk followed up, out of curiosity, I acquired some ASCII hash strings called Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. That's it. Two of those are, of course, logically consistent. Cryptocurrency names such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are among the most well-known in the world. Dogecoin may appear to be a silly investment for everyone else, but when you're Elon Musk and you can increase the value of a cryptocurrency by simply posting a single meme on Twitter, it becomes a no-brainer investment. In the end, it's conceivable that it was a wise investment after all. The values of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin have all risen in the hours following Musk's announcement, as is common when a coin's inventor promotes his or her own coin or cryptocurrency. What about Dogecoin Mars? You might wonder. Following Musk's article, the coin saw a temporary decline, but it has since recovered and has been on an upward track for the past 2 weeks. On the other side, Musk's statements contain some sound investment advice from him, where he stated it's always smart to invest in upcoming lucrative coins. Positive signs. Elon has often said that he does not hold any coins, but many feel that he will begin to do so in the near future. Consequently, there has been a huge increase in the price. When Elon is compared to other cryptocurrencies, the coin has shown to be a remarkably steady investment opportunity. This week's first 7 days have seen a 4.9% gain in the value of payment token, which now stands at $0.0000126. Specialists believe that this token's moderate volatility rating is matched by its low reading on the risk/reward gauge, which indicates that the token's price swings are minimal and that is adequately protected against market manipulation. In general, the price of Dogecoin Mars is trading above the barrier level, with support set at $0.0000117 and resistance set at $0.0000125. This is a challenging situation. In this case, Dogecoin Mars is out to range and may find itself in a volatile situation if the rally fails to materialize. What do you think about Dogecoin Mars? Do you think Elon Musk will actually invest in it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated in the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.